Welcome to Crack-A-Pack. My name is Andrew. Today we're cracking open Theros Beyond Death. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is Stampede Rider, followed by Triumphant Surge, Starlit Mantle, Nyxborn Colossus, Temple Thief, Thaumaturge's Familiar, Venomous Hierophant, Bronze Sword, Satyr's Cunning, Hero of the Pride, Drag to the Underworld, Daxos Blessed by the Sun, Eutropia the Twice Favored, Bronze-Hide Lion, Our Land is Plains, and we have a Satyr token at the back. So again, our land is a plains. Then we have the Bronze-Hide Lion, which for a green and white is a 3/3 creature that has, for a green and white, Bronze-Hide Lion gains indestructible till the end of the turn. And when Bronze-Hide Lion dies, return it to the battlefield. It's an aura enchantment with the enchant creature you control. It's an aura enchantment with enchant creature you control, and for a green and white, enchanted creature gains indestructible until end of turn, and it loses all other abilities. Sorry, that was worded weird. That's why I struggled for a second, but I think I understand it now. Okay, so when this dies, it comes back as an aura and it attaches to a creature, and that creature gains the same ability that Bronze-Hide Lion had initially, which is for a green and a white, it gains indestructible until the end of the turn. So, for 2 mana, it's a 3/3 that can also be indestructible for a turn for a green and a white. That's pretty good. It's not great. I mean, there's certainly better creatures, but this works. Being able to have this be indestructible every turn isn't bad. Certainly better when it becomes an aura that you can attach to another creature to make that other creature indestructible. I think that's really where I would lean into this, is get it out, let it then die and become the aura, and put it on a creature that I value a bit more, that I need longer, or that I want to make sure is able to stick around longer. So it's a bit of a waste of a 3/3 body when you use like that, but I think that's how I'd run it. If you have a deck that uses this, or you played against a deck that used this effectively, let me know in the comments below. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about how it worked, why it worked, what didn't work, and maybe we can come up with a way that this can be useful still. Next we have Eutropia the Twice Favored. Then we have Daxos Blessed by the Sun, Drag to the Underworld, Hero of the Pride, Satyr's Cunning, Bronze Sword, Venomous Hierophant, Thaumaturge's Familiar, Temple Thief, Nyxborn Colossus, Starlit Mantle, Triumphant Surge, and Stampede Rider. And that's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we crack open another pack.